In this video, I'm going to show you how to download excerpts from Dedoose. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Excerpts up top, and then from here, you want to select all of those you wish to download or export. Now, you could go and select all if you want to, or of course, you could just go ahead and basically kind of select the ones you like. So if I click on these, for example, over here, let's say I want to export those four, you want to go to the top right where it says Export Excerpts, and when you do that, it's going to give you some options over here. You can select these options, up to you. Here, you can just check mark what you want to get and what you don't want to get, and when you do that, you have the excerpt order. You could do create date, user, media, or size. I'm going to leave it on media. You have the text. You could do none, short, or full. And then you have the export type, which is likely the most important part. So you have for Excel 2003, Excel 2007, and then you have Word as a doc or text as a TXT file. So select the one you like, then click on the export button over here. It's going to say please wait. It's going to start loading for a few seconds. And then from here, it says download ready. Click on OK. Now this may take a few seconds up to a few minutes depending on how many you're trying to export. And then you can go to the Downloads tab, you can rename this, or of course go into any other folder you want on your computer, then click on Save, and that's gonna get saved in there, and there we go, download complete. I can now open it inside Excel as I just downloaded it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.